Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a photo of yourself into a lip-syncing animated character, just like this.
These them know I've been that guy, and I keep it 100, woman niggas.
Using just two tools and two simple steps. This video will be divided into two parts. In the first part, we'll use Chat GPT to create a cartoon-style character from a real photo. And in the second part, we'll animate that character to sing or talk using Hedra's lip sync feature. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It helps a lot and it keeps me motivated to keep sharing tutorials like this one. All right, let's get into the first part. We will start by heading over to Chat GPT. Once we're in, we will upload the photo we want to transform into a cartoon-style version. Then we paste in a special prompt that tells ChatGPT exactly how to style the image: smooth lines, soft colors, cute and expressive. I've left the prompt for you in the video description below, so you can copy and use it easily. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you something like this: a clean 2D animated version of your face while keeping your original features. Perfect for creating fun, eye-catching content. Looking good so far? If you're enjoying this, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. There are more cool content like this coming your way. Now let's move to the second part, bringing our animated character to life. First, head over to Hedra. I've left the link in the description. You'll need to sign up for a free account, but I've already signed up, so I'll just sign into mine. Once you're in, you should land on a homepage that looks like this. Now click on the video option in the menu. It will bring you to the workspace where we'll create the animation. Here we upload two things. First, the animated character image we generated from Chat GPT, and second, the audio you want your character to lip sync to. This could be a music track, a voice recording, or even a line from a movie, totally up to you. Once both files are uploaded, give it a simple prompt, something like "a man singing." Hit enter and Hedra will automatically sync the mouth movements with the sound, and in just a few seconds, you'll have a talking, singing version of yourself, ready to post anywhere just like this.
These them know I've been that guy, and I keep it 100, woman niggas switch up his style. How you keeping it working? Them one know like what's the vibe, eh? Told them please don't stress it, watch the show and keep it nice. When you see us walking, said they know what it's like, eh? To be me, I say you won't like.
And that's it. A full, animated, lip-syncing character created from just a photo and audio. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.